Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Snow Joe is probably one of the most convenient tools for tackling winter's wrath. Say goodbye to backbreaking shoveling and the hassle of gas-powered machines. This cordless snow blower offers a blend of power and ease, making snow removal a breeze. Let's dive into the features and see if this is the right snow blower for your needs. Number 5. Snow Joe 24V X2 SB 18-inch cordless snow blower. This cordless snow blower is powered by batteries, offering you the freedom to clear snow without cords. It provides a convenient and efficient way to tackle winter weather. With two 4.0Ah batteries, it delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime. This ensures you have enough power to clear your walkways and driveways. The 4-blade rubber-tipped steel auger clears a path 18 inches wide and 10 inches deep in a single pass. It makes quick work of snow removal. The 1200W brushless motor clears up to 14 tons of snow per charge. This powerful motor ensures efficient snow removal. The 2W LED headlight lights up the night for safer nighttime clearing. It enhances visibility, allowing you to clear snow safely in low-light conditions. What we like. This snow blower boasts a powerful 48V system, providing extended runtime. It features an 18-inch clearing path, making quick work of driveways. If you have a larger area to clear and need extended power, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It handles one snow very easily, was particularly good on the patio where a shovel snags on bricks, and I could do the whole job on one battery charge. It careened down the long driveway and quickly plowed away the 8-layer like a hot knife through butter. It cuts through 8 of powder snow quickly and efficiently. It can bite away at the multiple piles that the city snow plows leave at the end of the driveway. Number 4. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Snow Shovel Kit. This kit includes everything you need for snow removal. It comes with a cordless snow shovel, a protective cover, an ice scraper, a battery, and a charger. With a 400W motor, it can move a lot of snow. This ensures that the job gets done quickly and efficiently. The cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere. You can clear snow from decks, patios, and sidewalks without any cords getting in the way. It clears a 13-inch wide path in one pass. This allows for quick and thorough snow removal with minimal effort. The 24V battery provides up to 22 minutes of runtime. This allows you to clear snow without interruption. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, including an ice scraper and cover. It's cordless, offering maximum maneuverability around your home. If you are looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution for clearing snow from decks and patios, this is the one. What people say. Putting it together was super easy, I let the battery charge overnight before using it. Nice design overall for clearing channels. Was able to clear driveway and sidewalk with a bit of snow left on both in about an hour. Through about 10 to 14 feet, with the help of the wind. If you don't want to lift the snow at the edges, the trade-off is patience with less width and limited capacity. Standard shovel clears best to pavement, snowblower clears best for volume and better to pavement, was still snowing and blowing when finished a first pass. Number 3. Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. Introducing the Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit. This powerful tool makes removing snow a breeze. It's designed to handle even the toughest snowfalls. The Snow Joe features a robust 1200W brushless motor. It can clear up to 14 tons of snow on a single charge. This makes the job quick and easy. With an 18-inch clearing width and 10-inch depth, this snow blower cuts through snow with ease. This allows you to clear your driveway or patio in fewer passes. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with the 48V lithium-ion batteries. It offers gas-free, cord-free power for maximum mobility. You can use it anywhere without the hassle of cords. The adjustable 180-degree chute control lets you direct snow up to 20 feet away. This keeps your surroundings clear and prevents snow from building up where you don't want it. The built-in 2W LED headlight illuminates your path, even after dark. This allows you to safely remove snow anytime, day or night. What we like. This snow blower features a powerful 1200W brushless motor, clearing up to 14 tons of snow per charge. It has an 18-inch clearing width and adjustable chute control. If you like having control over where the snow goes and need a powerful machine, you should consider this. What people say. It worked great for about 10 minutes or so in the regular snow and even started cutting up the icy stuff on my walkway. With some decent effort, I was able to carve out a 3-foot-plus path cave out of that huge drift. It threw the snow a good 15 feet without difficulty. Number 2. SuperHandy 20V Cordless Snow Shovel. This cordless snow shovel makes clearing snow a breeze. It's designed for patios, decks, driveways, and sidewalks, making your life easier during the winter months. With its 20V electric motor, it can remove up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. The snow can be thrown up to 25 feet away, ensuring a clean path. Forget about gas and oil. This snow shovel offers quiet operation and requires no maintenance. It's a cleaner and greener way to remove snow. Weighing only 10 pounds, this snow shovel is easy to handle. The adjustable handle and curved auger blades make snow clearing less strenuous. This snow shovel is ideal for hard surfaces. Always remember to use proper protective gear when operating it. Avoid submerging it in water for safe use. What we like. This snow shovel is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's eco-friendly, with no gas or emissions. If you are looking for a simple, lightweight solution for clearing smaller areas like patios and sidewalks, this is the one. What people say. Its smaller 10 width is much better suited to clearing small spaces with tight corners, and even the lower capacity, lower power 20V battery was fine for the job, while making the weight and maneuverability far superior. Quick edit, I saw some comments that it is hard to hold the safety button and press the trigger at the same time. You only need to hold the safety button to start it, then you can let it go. Number 1. Snow Joe 24V SS13 XR 13-inch cordless snow shovel. This cordless snow shovel is perfect for clearing snow quickly and easily. It's ideal for decks, steps, patios, and sidewalks, making snow removal a breeze. It comes with a 24V IMAX 5.0 rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This powerful battery provides the energy needed to tackle those snowy days. The 400W motor can move up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. The two-blade auger throws snow up to 20 feet, making the job efficient. With a 13-inch clearing path, it makes quick work of walkways and other areas. This allows you to clear a path efficiently. This snow shovel is designed for quick and easy snow pickups. It is a great tool to have during the winter season. What we like. This snow shovel is cord-free, making it easy to use on decks, steps, and sidewalks. It features a powerful motor that moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. If you like a quick and easy way to clear snow from smaller areas, this is a great choice. What people say. Clears my 24x14 deck really fast, even if it's close to a foot deep, assuming of course the snow is fluffy and not wet. It cut through 7 of slushy snow like butter. It works great, especially if you do not have a mound of snow to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.